Geopolitical tensions are heating up, and the military world is once again shocked by the latest appearance from East Asia. China's sixth-generation stealth fighter, the J-36, has now entered a more intensive public flight testing phase. After first being spotted in December 2024, the prototype has already conducted at least 3 public test flights, marking a significant acceleration in its development. The latest sighting even includes the clearest video footage ever showing a tri-engine configuration, a tailless design with delta wings and a low landing distance, furthering the belief that the J-36 project is not hearsay, but a concrete step toward modern air dominance. Some analysis suggests that China has even developed ultra-fast cooling technology to enhance the performance and durability of its fighter engines, a potential driver for hypersonic flight or intensive stealth operations. With such rapid progress, the J-36 is more than just an ambitious project. It is a clear signal that the air technology race is entering a new phase. In the shadow of the US B-21 Raider, F-22 Raptor, and NGAD, the J-36 has emerged as Beijing's latest trump card in its bid to challenge global air hegemony. The development of the J-36 arose from China's strategic need to maintain and expand its air power amidst intensifying global competition. Following the success of the Chengdu J-20, a highly respected fifth-generation stealth fighter jet, Beijing realized that military technology must continue to evolve to keep up with its main competitors. The emergence of sixth-generation projects in the United States, such as the NGAD, served as a strong impetus for China to quickly develop a comparable or even superior rival. In addition to competition, developments in global weapons technology, such as hypersonic missiles and multi-frequency radar systems, have made previous-generation fighter aircraft increasingly vulnerable. China saw an opportunity to integrate these technologies into a new fighter platform that could change the landscape of power in the skies. The J-36 was designed to be not only a strike aircraft but also a control center for various unmanned combat systems. Geopolitical factors also played a significant role. Tensions in the South China Sea, the increasing U.S. military presence in the Indo-Pacific, and the potential for conflict in the region compelled Beijing to strengthen its long-range strike capabilities. The J-36 is expected to be able to operate in areas far from main bases, providing unprecedented strategic flexibility. Furthermore, the J-36 project is part of China's long-term ambition to establish itself as a dominant global air power. With a target of full operational capability before 2040, Beijing appears determined to make the J-36 a symbol of technological supremacy capable of changing the balance of global air power. From leaked early concepts, the J-36 appears to feature a delta wing design combined with a twin tail, providing stability at high speeds while minimizing radar signature. The sleek, aerodynamic fuselage structure is designed to optimize cruise speed, sharp maneuverability, and stealth. A curved S-duct air inlet system conceals the engine compressor blades from enemy radar, reducing radar reflections that could reveal its position. The latest generation of radar-absorbing materials, claimed to be more heat-resistant, is also a key part of the design. This technology allows the J-36 to remain difficult to detect even when operating at supersonic speeds or exposed to extreme temperatures due to air friction. This innovative coating is believed to be one of its key advantages over existing fifth-generation aircraft. In addition to its focus on stealth, the J-36 is designed with a large internal weapons bay. This concept not only reduces air resistance but also allows the aircraft to carry a variety of weaponry combinations, from long-range air-to-air missiles and hypersonic anti-ship missiles to escort drones for collaborative missions. Placing all weapons within the fuselage also helps maintain its stealth profile. Overall, the J-36's design appears to reflect the multi-role stealth dominator philosophy, an aircraft capable of performing a wide range of missions without sacrificing stealth and speed. This combination of futuristic form and advanced materials technology signals China's pursuit of aerodynamic design strengths with modern electronic sophistication. China claims that the J-36 will have supercruise capability above Mach 1.8 without the need for afterburners. This feature allows the aircraft to move quickly toward targets or out of dangerous areas with efficient fuel consumption, while making it difficult for enemies to pursue. With its extended operational range, the J-36 has the potential to conduct long-range missions in the Indo-Pacific region without the need for frequent refueling. The next-generation AESA radar reportedly has a detection range of over 400 kilometers, giving pilots the ability to track and lock onto targets before they are spotted by the enemy. Combined with a sensor fusion system, all information from radar, infrared, and data links can be combined into a single display, facilitating decision-making in complex battlefields. Another much-discussed feature is the integration of artificial intelligence. The AI in the J-36 functions as a digital co-pilot that can manage weapon systems, avoid threats, and even control accompanying loyal wingman drones. This allows pilots to focus more on combat tactics rather than managing the technical details of the flight. Meanwhile, the embedded electronic warfare system is claimed to be capable of disrupting enemy radar and communications, even penetrating integrated air defenses. If these claims are proven, the J-36 will pose a threat not only to enemy fighters but also to modern warships and ground defense systems. Although official figures have not been released, various analysts estimate the J-36's development cost will be between $15 and $20 billion. This figure includes research and development of a new generation turbofan engine, advanced stealth systems, and a secure, satellite-based military communications network. Given the complexity of the technology, this budget is considered realistic for a strategic-scale program. Beijing appears prepared to spend this substantial sum because it views the J-36 as a long-term investment. The Chinese government understands that air superiority is a decisive factor in modern conflicts, where control of the skies means control of the entire battlefield. Therefore, the J-36 is considered not only a fighter aircraft but also a national strategic asset. This project funding also aligns with China's annual defense budget trend. With stable economic growth, Beijing has the flexibility to fund major projects without sacrificing other military programs. This is an advantage compared to some Western countries that have had to reduce or delay projects due to budget constraints. However, a large budget is not without risks. Development delays, technical challenges, or changes in strategic priorities could impact the J-36's success. However, China's political and economic commitment signals that this project will remain a priority until completion. If all claims and plans are realized, the J-36 has the potential to become one of the world's deadliest fighter jets. With its combination of stealth design, high speed, advanced weaponry, and AI integration, it will force other air powers to rethink their strategies. However, history shows that not all ambitious projects achieve their goals. Many factors from technical issues to political pressure can alter the course of development. Even so, the mere existence of the J-36 project is enough to trigger global reactions. For neighboring countries in the Asia-Pacific region, the emergence of the J-36 signals the need to upgrade air defenses and strengthen military cooperation with allies. For the United States, it is a reminder that its decades-long air dominance is now being seriously challenged. With all these dynamics, one thing is certain: the J-36 will be a pivotal chapter in the history of the 21st century air arms race. and the world will be eagerly awaiting whether this stealth dragon is truly capable of conquering the skies.